welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monali Saurambai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. With pride, Meghalaya claims gold medal. Assam takes the lead claiming gold medals in swimming. 39 students revered by MLA Jason S. Maulong. And Waingdo awarded for artistic talent. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya won its first gold medal at the second Northeast Olympic Games, with Wilbornson Walang winning the MTB downhill hardtail men's race at Malki Forest today. Meghalaya swept this particular category with its cyclists taking silver and bronze as well through Amedius Therlang Marbanyang and Nicholas Sirti respectively. Just 2 seconds separated the top 3 victors. Manipur claimed a further gold medal through Thokchom Tennyson Singh in the MTB downhill full suspension men's race ahead of Meghalaya's Dame Wanki Hao Suyang. Another Manipur cyclist, Kshetri Mayum Jaksing, came third. In the women's open cross-country race, Lindum Yakya of Arunachal Pradesh was first in 9 minutes 42 seconds, with the Manipur pair of Pangamban Priya Devi and Haman Ubarshi Devi second and third respectively. The prize distribution ceremony for all the above events was held today with Dr. M. Amprin Lingdo MLA, the chief guest. Other dignitaries included additional CEO of NEOG 2022 and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Shri Cyril V.D. Dengdo, IAS. On the 12th of November 2022, Assam continues to lead in achieving gold medals even on the second day of the Northeast Olympic Games after already achieving 11 medals, which included 6 gold medals. On this day, Manipur followed up with second place, 8 medals, which included 1 gold, whereas Tripura came third place with 2 bronze medals. So far, Assam has collected 22 medals, out of which 12 are gold medals, followed by Manipur with 15 medals and Tripura 5 medals. With the desire to encourage the youngsters to pursue their further studies, the Seng Samla Shillong, which included 6 regions that included Solait, Nartam, Langpadon, Solait Thamai, Lomka and Umsao Noldhi on the 12th of November 2022, honored 39 students who cleared different examinations which included SSLC, graduate and postgraduate with the Academics Excellence Awards 2022, which took place at Solait Rim Secondary School. As a sign of encouragement, MLA of Umsning Jason S. Maulong, who is also the chief guest alongside Stephen Maring, participated in the event with the presence of elderly of the region, K. Shadab, chairman of Shillong Union, leaders of Seng Samla Union, Vincent Makri, advisor, Richard Baskem Lapang, president, Sankupar Singli, secretary, the elderly and students who received the awards.
Kanay pileno Aku akan bu ya kata hak jumut jumper kat jumpi. Bapak suam kakam si kakam sarkar ngan orang IP ke babakla. Try kiri romba ke badan hangni dia bani sutu ya. Mana pun kuat kam sarkar, mulak belan dia kata, baru kau bakwa. Baru kum bakaya kata kejuk. Kum bakaya kata kapor kalau ke ika bestam. Ni dong kam begin sutu. Ki polisi nak sarkar ke babun. Pen dong kam ya kata. Dong kam ke ika kum orang IP ngam bandang sechisin wan. Ni penwat kita kilat kilenti. Manga sutu ila di kum somla rumah. Puli ke putih ke bedong kam khmat. Kadong kathai ke badkiu khmat, ni dong kam mo kata ke jingnang jingstan. Ni dong kam epi ki yud ki ban tur khmat. Tengah ngadon dengan kat epi. Berkabar kadong epi. Habang ngadon ang tempo sekretariat nakapor kapor habang asyong, habang atrekam. Nakakot iki officers ki baper. Iki IAS ki baper. Kibon ki IAS ki badai na bar juga jela. Balai kalau kumta. Hab ya kali hab bo ujung kali kata. Kibun kibanabat himla balana do manta.
The headman of Waingdo today, the 12th of November 2022, explained the meaning of the drawings being drawn on the walls of that area. As a mark of participation on the 50th anniversary of Meghalaya attaining statehood, Waingdo got the platform to participate through artistic creativity by drawing on the walls of the area, along with indications of certain culture of the 12th of November 2022. While speaking with the headman of Waingdo, R.S. Marbanyang, he explained the illustrations contains a lot of meaning and that each signifies the culture of the area in the olden days. He added that Waingdo received an award along with a sum of Rs 50,000 on account of these artistic impressions. The Dorbar Shillong of Waingdo could present the artists involved with a sum of money as a gesture of gratitude for their participation to beautify the empty walls and add meaning to them.
Maruhang mo gani kyo par kita stay pada strong environment no jadi nak tahu bang ikwa ban drop sang ni ba the mathematics plan puri kita exam ke mas pema puri physics chemistry biology kan perfect gini klaim ke mas inumla mas kalau very important ikwa apa pin mo pin highlights bahaya gini but mentah pada kawan ke perkat adin beladap draw kawan ke ni ke bangi keras bentah education. Dalam ke education kam don ke quality ngi sia pass pe. Kawan ra ya jing donong kam. Abang quality education kamot ngin yo iki quality politicians te. Kabang idon kam palat nanta. Ha? Idon kam iki quality engineers, quality doctors, quality qualified teachers. Mal kadi kata ke jimut jongani kakto. Fokus on quality ladang puli mengakum nang kair ko. Puli mo fi puli chief minister kini puli election minister puli mana ki bayar liti ni kena sekolah kini kin pai ki kimi panju kena kin pelik kawan kata ke jimut kamot ke ai ka quality education ka jimut pemerintah idon kam pala ya ni ka quality dem ka quality education kan sem jing.
On the 12th of November 2022, Gabriel K. Yangrai refused to answer any questions placed by the media persons when he arrived at the court of the district session judge along with his legal advisor to defend him of all the accusations that he pellucated the government's money for the construction of police stations. The family members of Gabriel Yangrai accompanied him for the day, and his legal advisor defending his case informed that Gabriel will still be behind bars until the 25th of this month, according to the orders given by the special court.
Judicial custody up to 25th by the special court.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.